If you want to get free gift cards by doing things you probably already do online, you might consider becoming a Swagbucks member. The website allows you to earn points while you shop online, watch videos, search the web, answer surveys and find great offers. Those points can be redeemed for gift cards at major retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or even to get cash back through PayPal. Swagbucks is the definition of easy money. Whilst it doesn't promise to bring in the big money, it's easy to earn points on anything from watching videos to completing short surveys. At time of creating this video, Swagbucks have paid members over $450 million and are rated excellent on Trustpilot by more than 27,320 reviewers. There are many different ways you can earn money on Swagbucks, such as online shopping with Swagbucks, Swagbucks Answers, Swagbucks Watch, Swagbucks Discover, Swagbucks Search, Swagbucks Play. Let's see how to register and earn money on Swagbucks. Enter your email ID and password and register instantly. An email confirming your registration would be sent to your email account, which you need to open and verify. You can also sign up with Facebook. The login is also available on the same page. You can also watch the video available to users on the registration page, which explains the platform's benefits. Let's enter email ID, password and confirm the password, and click on Sign Up button. That's it, you are done registering. As soon as you registered, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, you have to answer profile surveys in order to get surveys related to what products you use. You will earn points in the form of SBs each time you complete a survey or do any other stuff on the site. You can earn SBs for profile survey too. 100 SB is equal to $1. If you add swag button, you will earn 25 SB. When you click on Take Me to the home page, you can see there are tasks that lets you earn 500 SB or even more than that just to sign up for different websites. That is $5 for just signing up. There are tasks that pay 1680 SB, and even 3000 SB. You can even play games, watch videos to earn money on this site. You should click on Answer on top left of the site in order to answer surveys. If you want to redeem your SB, you should click on Profile button on the top right corner and click on Redeem Your SB. You have various options like Amazon gift cards, Payoneer, etc. to redeem your SBs. Click on the link in the description, register, and start earning money. I wish you all good luck. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and like the video.